introduction of me is Doogee S98, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this device. Firstly, go into settings and choose privacy section over here. Then you need to click on permission manager and select one of your device's features. I will go with location. Then scroll down and tap on one of your apps, like maps. Now you need to click on one of those options. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, allow all the time. So when I click on the back button, as you can see, maps just gained access to this device location. But you can also pick any feature and then select app of your interest, like calendar. Now scroll down and click on see all calendar permissions instead. From here you can manage all of them only for this app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!